Good morning, the students of class 5, Modern International School, Hisua. Dear students, I, Om Prakash Sharma, is standing before you to teach the topic of our bones, that is in chapter number 8. Dear students, half part of this story was taught in earlier video, and the remaining part just I am telling you. In earlier video I told you Nadia's broken bones and X-ray. When Nadia went to her school and showed the X-ray to her class teacher. When her class teacher showed the X-ray, then she asked Nadia, "What are you feeling now?" Then the answer of Nadia, "Sir, this time I am feeling better." So the class teacher, the teacher took the X-ray from her and told all the students, "Dear students, all of us have bones just like. There are 206 bones in our body, and these bones make up our skeleton. If we haven't any bones, then the body would be saggy as a bean bag, because it cannot get any support, and the bones in our body helps to move." So, dear students, I want to say there was bell for the races. The teacher was teaching the process of bones, and the nick of time, and at the same time the bell rang, and as soon as the bell rang, all the children ran out to play. Even a student do like this. When the bell rang in the period of lunch, all of you are excited to get out of the class and go to the field, just like. And for some times, when the period of recess lasted and all the students came into the class, then Mrs. Das showed the class a picture of the human skeleton and addressed them, "Dear students, bones cannot made, so a skeleton has joints, and with the help of joints we bend our body, such as joints in ankle, joints in knee, joints in wrist, joints in elbow, joints in neck. We have joints in our jaw also, in our body and in our shoulders also." So we can say that joint has great importance, and it helps us to work and play. If joints are in not proper way, then we cannot do any work. So dear students, I would like to say that without joints one cannot bend the bones. Mrs. Das told the class many things about bones and told them the importance of bones, and told them that for the progress of bones, for the strength of bones, grow of bones, we should take exercise regularly and take the diet as a balanced diet, so that the bones and muscles may be strong. In diet, milk, eggs and vegetables regularly. It was the time for the well. That means the time of teaching. Mrs. Das was teaching the students and telling the students about bones, how the bones make us strong. In the period of telling that the bell rang, and that means time for the last bell. As soon as the bell rang and children left the class for their homes. So, dear students of class 5, I shall always want to tell you eggs. You should take eggs for breakfast, said Nadia to her mother. Nadia said to her mother, and also I want to tell you, for lunch and dinner, always eat vegetables and give up the habit of fast food and junk food. So, we should not eat more because it disturbs our health. It should be avoided certainly. So, dear students, I expect that you would follow what I am telling you. Thanks.